My name is Benjamin Soto, and I went to Newcastle Senior High School. High school for me was interesting. Some I understand, some I didn't. Some just didn't make sense. But I got through it. At one point I was lost on what I wanted to do. I would get home and build and stuff like that, and that's how I kind of saw where my future was heading, since I love to build and stuff. As I've been in this school, when I started getting my hands dirty and building stuff, I was for sure this was the place. Better than just writing it down and reading a book. If you want to get into construction, if you want to have a good future, NCST is a great school and will help you get to a path you might not know. It's kind of like a family here.